Hi everyone, it's Caroline. I'm going to make or start the cover topper of my Hillside Heart Prompts journal. I'm going to keep it simple and glue it together. I want to keep some of the original bag because that's what I really like the look of it, the quilted look. My own junky journal. So I'm not going to get too fussy with it. I'm going to use the other piece of this leather on the end. Before I do that, I have this scrappy piece of denim, and I'd like to use that because of the cool thread, the look of it. And I think what I'll do is put it over here. Just wondering if I should tuck it in. That should be enough. I'm going to glue it on. And I'm also thinking at the same time that I'm doing this, if I will add a little photo or something extra on the top, that could come later. I'll leave myself a little bit of an opening. Rough and pretty and kind of grungy. Kind of just building on the puzzle, and I'm going to put the piece of leather down here. I left a little bit to tuck. A little clip in the meantime. This could go over on the edge, and I think I will do that. I'll cover the inside. I'll do the same on top, up here. Finally, I'm going to have something here that's finished. I have another piece of leather. I'll turn it this way. This can tuck under, same as before. While this is drying a little more solid, I'm going to see if I can use some of this. This is a scan that I made. Well, that fits in there. I'm going to cut this off. So they're coordinating. I don't know if that's going to be too much. While I'm thinking about what to do, I have this other piece of the jeans and the fly. So I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to go ahead with that. I think it just adds a little extra in here. I'm going to leave that open in case I do find something that I want to put, like a word. Still brainstorming on what to do on this side. I'd love to use this somehow. This is really heavy. I can't take the bachelor buttons off. And I don't want to sew it. But it would be fun. It would be fun to go this way. And then use it. I'm just wondering how that would work. If I used it here. Well, that would work. It could hold on to, it could hold on like this. That would stay closed. Now all I have to do is think about how to secure it. That'll give me a lot of space. I could tighten it as I need to. So over here I need to find a buttonhole. Okay, well these were Jim's jeans. Here's the front fly, but I don't need all of these holes. I just need one. So I'm going to take apart I'll go to here. Having fun with these jeans. I was not thinking of this, but this is going to be, I think this is going to work out okay. I'm going to leave my button here at the very beginning. I'm not going to make it any longer. This journal, even if it bulks up a bit, I can cinch it down with my closure. I think what I'll do is keep it here. I'm going to go for it. Pretty sure that'll be enough. We'll see how this holds. I'm sure it'll be fine. Put some glue on the leather piece. Going to use the fabric, cover this up. Holding it very tight so I can give it a tear. cover, the closure, I love the way it turned out. I think it's pretty simple once I figured out the way I wanted it to close. I have a little bit of space in here that I can tuck in another photo or another little cluster if I come across that. And there's a lot of room for more volume. It's fun to see what you can do, what you can come up with your leftover fabric, scrap fabric, leftover or expired denim, all the different parts.